How to schedule Instagram post inside the app. So here is how to schedule your Instagram post directly inside the app. No third-party tools needed. Works on both iPhone and Android. So let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Once in there, tap on the plus icon available there and choose post or reel. Then all you have to do is simply select the photo or video you want to upload and tap on the next option available at the top right. Then again tap on the next and scroll down. There you will get to see the more option available and all you have to do is tap on it. Inside more options, you can see schedule this post option available. Turn the toggle on. Now a calendar will appear. Pick your preferred date and time and tap on the done to confirm. And your post will automatically publish at your chosen time. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.